welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Bridgerton inspired makeup look in honor of the release of Bridgerton Season 2. I am absolutely in love with Bridgerton, which inspired this series where I'm turning myself into some Bridgerton inspired characters, whether they are inspired from characters from the show or they are characters of my own creation, like this one. I wanted to create my own makeup look as if I were a character in Bridgerton. I am so happy with how this makeup look turned out, and keep in mind I know it is not completely historically accurate, but I still thought it would be a fun video to make in seeing what I feel I would look like if I were in Bridgerton. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this Bridgerton inspired makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey Spoops, so to get started, I'm going to be taking my Pixie Rose Plus Essence Oil and applying this all over my face before taking my Fenty Skin Sunscreen and applying this over my face as well to help moisturize it. Next, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer and applying this over my face, and following that, I'm going to be taking my Pixie Rose Plus Radiant Perfector and applying this over my face as well. I'm then going to be taking my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Highlighter, and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes to help brighten them before going into my Milani Supercharged Concealer in 120 Peach, and once again applying this under my eyes and blending it out. I'm then going to be taking my MAC Strobe Cream and applying this to my cheekbones to help give it a nice luminous glow under my foundation. And then we're actually going to be moving on to foundation, where I'm going to be taking my Rare Beauty foundation in the color 210N and just applying that with my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. Next, I'm going to be taking my Rare Beauty Serum Blush in Hope, and I'm just going to be applying that to the apples of my cheeks and also blending that throughout my cheekbones before we move on to Cream Contour, where I'm going to be taking my Buckle Benny Beauty Cream to Powder Foundation in Mocha, and I'm going to be applying this to the areas that I would like to add some more definition. So this is going to be my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline, and then I'm going to go ahead and lightly blend that out. I'm then going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Concealer, and I'm going to be applying this to the areas that I now want to highlight. So this is going to be my forehead and under my eyes, and I'm just going to once again lightly blend this out before we move on to setting this. For my setting powder, I'm going to be taking my Airspun Translucent Powder, and I'm going to be mostly focusing this under my eyes, but I'm also going to be applying it to any areas that I tend to crease a little bit more. For my brows, I'm going to be starting off by taking my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in black, and I'm just going to be going ahead and lightly filling in my eyebrows. And I'm going to be using the spoolie end just to kind of help brush that out to make them look a little bit more natural. And then I'm just going to be going ahead and setting this with my Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setting Gel. I'm then going to be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to be using this to help deepen the contour from earlier. So I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones and the temples of my forehead, while also bringing it down my jawline as well. For my blush, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Cosmetics Enchanted Mirror Blush and just applying this to my cheeks before moving on to taking my Revlon Prismatic Highlighter and applying this to my cheekbones. I'm then going to be taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and going ahead and priming my eyelids before moving on to eyeshadow, where I'm going to be taking my Ulta Beauty Everyday Faves palette, starting off by taking this mauve eyeshadow right here, and on a fluffy brush, I'm just going to be going ahead and starting at the outer corner of my crease. I'm going to start there and then blend it inwards before taking a clean fluffy brush and just going ahead and blending that out before taking that mauve eyeshadow and applying it to my lower lash line as well. I'm then going to be taking this rose gold eyeshadow, and I'm going to be going ahead and applying this on my eyelid before taking this highlight champagne color and using this to highlight my brow bone. Next, I will be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Black Eyeliner, and I'm just going to be creating a nice, thin, soft wing on my upper lash line. We want to make sure that this is nice and simple. We don't want this to be anything too crazy. I'm then going to be going ahead and prepping my eyelashes by curling them before taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just going ahead and sweeping this through my eyelashes. For my lips, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Oh Snap, and I'm just going to be going ahead and outlining them before taking my Sephora Beauty Perfect Nude Lip Gloss and just going ahead and applying that onto my lips. For my eyelashes, I'm going to be taking my Kiss No. 11 lashes and just applying that to my upper lash line. And then last but not least, we're going to be setting our face. I'm going to be taking my One Size Beauty On Till Dawn Setting Mist, spraying this all over my face before applying my Tula Signature Glow Spray and also spraying that on my face to help give it a radiant finish. And that is my completed Bridgerton-inspired makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. And with all of that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!